Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be doing a poolside glamour look. So if you're interested in seeing how to achieve a really nice sun glowy bronzy poolside glamour look, then let's get right into it. So today we're going to be starting off with the eyes to eliminate any fallout. If it does fall on our face, we can easily clean it off with just a wet towel. Now, the reason for that is because I want to go in with foundation last and do the skin last. I just want to get the eyes done, and let's start off with primer. So I'm using the Essence Prime. It's the Prime Like a Boss eyeshadow base. I'm just putting that on both of the eyelids and then just patting that out with my fingers. Now the first thing that I'm going to be doing is lining the eyes with this green Scandalous eyeliner pen by Rimmel. So line the upper eyelash. I'm just looking down into a mirror here, taking it all the way to the inner corner of the eye. And this green is such a beautiful mossy green. And then lining just the outer 2/3 of the lower lash line. You can actually also just bring it out a little bit from underneath. It's time to go in with some shadow. And from the Mecca Max Holidays eyeshadow palette, which is this beautiful palette here. It's got some really beautiful tones in there. I'm going in between Dawn and Deserted, which is this beautiful terracotta shade here and this nudie colour right there. So I'm dipping into both of those colours. And I'm just starting to do the eyeshadow in the crease. Then with a different fluffy brush, I'm going into this pale blue shade right there, which is called Summer Breeze. Putting that all over the eyelid. And it's just your softest blue. So that it looks something like that. Just deepening it up a little bit more. So that's what it's looking like at the moment. We've got the terracotta shade on the crease, and we've got the light blue pale shade pretty much from the crease all the way down to the lash line, upper lash line there. With my Princess liner by Essence, it's just a brown liner. It actually doesn't need to be shaken, but I'm just lining the lower lash line with this liquid eyelining pencil. And going straight over that green eyeliner that we just put on the outer third. I know I look nuts at the moment, but that's how it goes, guys. Now, with a pencil brush, or even just a smudge brush, I'm going to go over that brown eyeliner with a beautiful shade here called Bad Behavior. It's like a brown purpley shade. We're going to smoke out that later on, but we're just applying it. I have this brush by Sigma, which is which I'll list in the description box below, and I'm just smudging out that eyeshadow. So we've just smoked out the lower lash line. We applied the light brown eyeliner. We put a dark eggplant brown eyeshadow over the liner and we smoked it out. So now it's time to go in and do the rest of the face. You know what, let's do mascara last. I'm gonna go in now and do the face. So I'm gonna be using these two as my base. I'm using the Mecca Cosmetica Hyaluronic Acid drops and the Rimmel Long Lasting Finish foundation, which is in the SPF 20. I'm going to be using these two to mix together and put as my foundation base. A full pump of the hyaluronic acid and a pump of the Rimmel foundation. Just mixing that on the back of my hand so that the consistency is quite creamy, like this. Putting that all over the face. I will cover up that little pimple that I've got on my cheek there, which is very inconveniently annoying at the moment. Damp beauty sponge. For concealer, I'm using the Mecca Max Life Proof Concealer. Put a bit on my pimple there. I'm just letting the concealer sit for about a minute before I go in and blend it with the same damp beauty sponge. Now I'm being really careful not to touch the eyeshadow that we just blended out. I really love this concealer because it's so long lasting, it's opaque, but it's not thick formula, so it really does an excellent job of hiding dark circles and just moisturizing at the same time. I have the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand, and I'm going to be just dabbing that on the upper cheekbone area. Same beauty sponge and just dabbing that in for a really nice highlighting effect. Put a bit on the tip of the nose, a bit down the bridge of the nose as well. Now for the inner corner of the eyes, I am going to highlight it with a beautiful highlighting shade because for bronzer we're going to be using the Natasha Denona Bronze and Glow Tanning Palette, which is this one here. And I'm going to be putting on, in the inner corner of the eyes, this glow shade right here. And also a bit on the upper brow bone. Bringing up that inner corner highlight just a little bit into the inner corner of the eye, a bit higher up, just to give it a bit more brightness. For mascara today, I'm using the Wayne Goss Waterproof Mascara, which is this one here. Now I'm just going to pause the video. I'm going to be doing lashings and lashings of black mascara on the top and bottom lashes, and then we'll come back. So guys, we've just got the mascara applied on the top and bottom lashes. Time to do some contouring, blush, bronzing, you name it. We're going to be using the Natasha Denona Bronze and Glow palette again. And I'm picking up this beautiful bronze shade here in the corner. And I'm bronzing that on the bronzing contouring area. Now you can see my blemish there. It is kind of a fresh blemish, but yeah, I'm just really not too concerned about covering it up. So that's okay that we've gone over it. It is what it is, you know. But how beautiful is this bronzing shade? Top of the forehead, down the bridge of the nose, on the chin. Now with the remaining bronzer, I'm dipping into the Super Glow and the Bronze and Glow together. And we're just stamping out over the rest of the cheeks. Don't be afraid to take it up high underneath the eyes, down the neck. Finally, it is time for lips, and the beautiful shade that I'm going to be using today it's by Mob Beauty, and it's this beautiful apricot pinky shade, and I'm using just the Milani Nude Lip Liner, overdrawing the lips with the lip liner. I'm not overdrawing the bottom lip though. And then filling the rest of the lips in with the Mob Beauty lipstick. And that completes the look for the Poolside Glamour makeup tutorial. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. It will really help me out. For those of you who have recently subscribed to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I love having you here. If you'd like to see a video, please let me know in the comments below and I will be happy to do it for you. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day or night wherever you are. Bye for now.